This is going to be the beginning of a string of videos I do just to help people get started in pfSense and how to do some of the basic simple things. This one will be about rebooting as well as backing up and loading your save configurations. Thanks. Alright, let's begin. We're going to go ahead and go to our pfSense web GUI and we're going to sign into it. Alright, and for this one we're just going to do the basics of how to back up your configuration. This is probably the most important thing you'll do whenever you're configuring any router, switch, anything, as you always want to be able to back it up. The cool thing about pfSense is it saves a pretty long history and it's pretty detailed of what you did on each change. But with that being said, I still like to have a physical backup of just about everything. So I do all of it. I unselect this because I wanted to keep everything. We're going to back up that. We're going to back up this. We're just going to save it. Then it downloads it. Alright, and then here's that. Alright, and then how I name mine are 0520-2023. Whoops. 05-20-2023 pfSense config. Now let's say I do some stuff and I need to fix it now. Now you can either do it by going here and you can restore it by here, or you can even download it from here. But otherwise you can just hit choose file, go to downloads, and just like that we'll hit restore and it goes through its thing. Now it will reboot and whatnot, but the next thing I want to go over this video is just rebooting. You know, we'll keep it really simple. So we're going to go diagnostics, hit reboot, we'll do normal reboot, and we'll let it do its thing.
Run.
And there we go. That was it. I hope everybody has a good one. Thanks.